Hi, I'm Jacob Bauer from Group 2. We chose Applications for Education for our group project. We each chose a subject to research and learn about. Those subjects were astronomy, math, computer science, music, and language. The subject I chose was computer science because it interests me and I knew I'd be able to find good information and plenty of quality apps. As you can see, this is one of my 2 pages about computer science applications. Some of them are for Apple devices and others are for Androids. We all designed our pages very similarly, with the main difference being our background at the top of the page behind our titles. This was a progress that went through many changes before we finally landed on this design style. The group I worked with was very friendly and had a lot of good design ideas. I was happy to be able to work with them. It was a great experience to be able to see what it's like to work with a group over the internet and what challenges it poses.